Ooh, so slimy.
Whoa, press pause. Hi, I'm Tina. I know I'm a talking cat. I live with my pet humans. I mean, someone's got to. I love watching CatTok for the latest hacks and gadgets to make life meow-some. So let's have some fun. What's going on here? That's funny-looking cat treats. Oh, it's candy. Got it. Wow, it's a rainbow.
Yummy candy?
Uh-oh. Tina, stop it!
Wow, I can hear now.
I'll pour water over the candy. And now I wait. No way! Give me those socks. White is so last season. It's all about color now. Put these on. So chic, they're perfect.
Ear candy. Huh? Look at those socks! They're magical!
What's this? She's squeezing it. It's like a pimple.
This is huge.
Looks like Sunny needs my help. Luckily, these paws can work wonders. I need to be quick. If she squeezes that spot, it'll be a catastrophe. I'll cut a hole in the card. Let's try it out. Whoa, that feels good. It's showtime.
Why won't you pop? Hey, I'm busy here. What am I supposed to do with this?
Ooh.
Oh, I get it. Oh, yeah. That's the good stuff. That's an eruption. Wow, I needed that.
Feline better? Ah, bugs the worst. Whoa, they're being squished. Awesome. That gives me an idea. I'll fill the bubbles with gunk. Relax, it's just paint. Now I need the bugs. I'll stick the bubble underneath them. This is the fun part. Ah, gross. But I love it. It's prank time. Everything is ready.
No, she didn't. Wait! There's so many bugs. Take that! And that! Got him. Wait a second. No, it can't be. Get it off me. I will end you. Right in the eye.
Ew. Yuck. That was a juicy one. What's next? Chocolate is like human catnip. What's she gonna do with it? That looks familiar. I knew it. I saw it in my litter tray. Let's make it. I'll need to melt the chocolate. Nah, that will do. I'll squeeze it onto the tape. So far, so good. Time for the tricky part. I need to make a poop shape. Whoa, this is a work of art. I've never seen such a cute poop. I need to show my human. Hey, Sunny. Oh, sleeping like a kitten. This will be a surprise. Any second now. Let's try something different.
Quit it!
So it's like that, huh? Rise and shine! How about a head massage?
I'm awake. What's going on? Is that... Get it away from me! That's gross! Hold on. I need a closer look. It doesn't smell like poop. It doesn't feel like poop. Is that chocolate? There's only one way to find out. I hope I don't regret this.
I can't believe what I'm watching!
Whoa, that was delicious. Hi, Tina.
This is interesting. Oh, it's a light show. It's like a night at the Kitty Cat Club. Target acquired.
This movie is intense. Huh? Who's there? that strange? Hello? I've got chips and I'm not scared to use them. I knew this house was haunted. Take the cat, leave me! I'm hiding under the blanket!
I'll take this. It was the perfect crime. Time to make this possum. I'll need my paw prints. I'll need to punch holes in the card. Time for the big reveal. Whoa, check it out. But that's not the best part. Let's turn down the lights. These LED lights will do the job. Ooh, pretty. I could look at it all night. Sunny, you need to see this. Seriously, look.
What? Oh, wow. Wow, you made me a nightlight?
It's what I do. Is that horse? Lady, this is a cat channel. Okay, that does look fun. My cat groomer can do that. Wow, it's a unicorn. I knew they were real. I need to raid my litter tray. There's something under here. If it's poop, I'll be disappointed. Ooh, it's a poop-free zone. That's a relief. It's a dino cat. I should be in a museum, but I have bigger plans. I'll smooth clay over it. It's like a makeover. You'll be like a new cat after this. Something's missing. How I could forget the eyes. That's kind of terrifying. But I'm not stopping. I'll need a hole of string. This is like a cat's dream. You look fabulous. It's like you stepped out of a salon.
Wow, this is amazing. I never knew we had a new pet. Welcome to the family. What should I wear? Uh-oh! Okay, that was weird. Tina, I can explain.
I knew you were a dog person. Anyway, where was it? Let's create some art. This will be so colorful. It'll be a masterpiece. Just call me Picasso. Oh, Sunny!
I hope Tina isn't mad. What? Wow, look at this. I love it! I can't wait to try it on. Wow, I'm feline good.
And this belongs in the trash.